Hello and welcome to TechByTosh. My name is Toshit, and in this video we're going to learn about using presenter mode in Teams meetings. Instead of simply sharing a screen or a window, you can really impose yourself on the contents and become more engaging and important part of your presentations using presenter mode. Let's check it out. I'm into my Microsoft Teams meeting and I'm going to quickly go and click on the share button. Once I click the share button, you'll be presented with the presenter mode. Microsoft has recently added the reporter mode and the side-by-side mode and a customize button. Let's just click on the customize button for now. With the customize button, I can basically set the background of my presenter mode. So let's pick one of the backgrounds. Let's pick this one and click on the back button. Now I'm going to go and click on the side-by-side mode and pick a window. So I'm going to pick my presentation that I'm going to present, and you will see this little window pops up. Now this window is just for the presenter view only. This is what I see. If I want, I can minimize this window. You can see that my custom background is still there, and I have the custom background for the presentation that I have selected. Let's have a look at the other mode. To change to a different mode, I can simply hover over to the top of my screen and this little window pops up. So this time, let's select the reporter mode. I click on the reporter mode and my view has changed. You will see my Teams custom background has disappeared. I don't have any background, and I still have the background for the presentation that I chose. I'm a little bit bigger. My window is still on my left, but it's a little bit small now. Let's have a look at the other view. Let's just hover over again and pick a different view. So this time, let's just select the standout view. So once I click on standout, you can see I'm a little bit shorter now, but my presentation has gone bigger. I have the presentation at my back. If I want, I can really say, look at the slide and the sales TechByTosh has made in recent quarter. All right? So that's pretty cool. Now, the other option you have to just go into the content view only. Let's just go over again and select the content view. Once I click on the content view, all my pictures have disappeared. I only have my presentation. So that's it. This is how you present using the presenter mode and impose yourself on top of the content. All right. In this video, we learned about using presenter mode in Teams meetings. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and leave comments if you want me to cover any of the topics. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this in future. That's it for today. I hope to see you next time.